The earliest users of tea are two countries, India and China. Tea also plays a very significant part in social rituals of Japan. In current periods, green tea has engrossed a lot of attention due to many health benefits attributed to it. Green tea is a very versatile beverage and the preparation depends on your preferred taste. There are many recipes to make a wonderful blend, but the most prehistoric way is by directly brewing the leaves and drinking the tea. Other than enjoyment, green tea also provides energy and vigor. It's a great drink for a lazy afternoon. In smaller doses it actually works wonder as it boosts the energy and reduces anxious feeling. During office tea breaks, instead of a normal coffee or tea, switch over to green tea, so that you are fully energized. You can also keep sipping green tea and even lose weight. Doesn't that sound cool? Green tea supplements are especially prevalent in the weight loss industry and in products, which are promoted as containing antioxidants. Obtainable in many forms, the use of green tea for weight loss is believed to be one of the greatest natural calorie-burning finds made by science so far. Green tea can allow a person to gain greater overall health. It is not just a case of green tea helping you to lose weight. Sometimes you will find ginseng is mixed with green tea to improve its properties and effectiveness. Considered to be the root of life in China and Tibet, ginseng root brings the vitamin and mineral supplement the body needs during a detoxification period. People who drink green tea are found to have lower LDL cholesterol levels and higher HDL cholesterol levels. One study conducted in animals suggests that polyphenols may help inhibit the absorption of cholesterol by intestines, thus helping in the excretion of cholesterol from body. Green tea has also been found to be beneficial for the liver. It helps control the damaging effect of alcohol on it. People who drink green tea are found to have lower incidence of liver diseases. Nature seems to have a cure for everything if you can find it, and the health benefits of green tea are only just beginning to be understood. Green tea can raise your resting metabolic rate. Having a cup of green tea after a meal can aid in digestion. Green tea has been used for thousands of years in Asia as a digestive. All teas come from the same source. The tea plant is a member of the Camellia family, Camellia sinensis. Black tea, oolong tea, and green tea are all derivatives of this one plant. Present research suggests that supplementing with green tea can raise your resting metabolic rate by 3%. In order to get this benefit, you must have about 3 glasses a day. If you have a BMR of 2000 or so, that means 60 extra calories a day. Every little bit of help is useful when you're trying to lose weight or keep your weight stable as you get older. Diet and exercise are still the most important components of weight loss and maintenance, but studies are showing that tea, particularly green tea, may be able to provide some assistance in losing weight and keeping it off. For centuries, Asians have used green tea for health. In addition to Asian cultures having a much lower incidence of serious diseases such as cancer and heart disease, they also are far less likely to be overweight. Each day, as we convert food to energy, we create free radicals in our body. These free radicals can damage our cells and our DNA if we don't combat them. It is believed that unchecked free radicals contribute to the development of many diseases, including cancer. In addition, they speed up the aging process and contribute to clogged arteries and other health problems. Antioxidants are powerful at combating free radicals and are linked with preventing cancer, as well as with decreasing your risk of stroke and heart disease and with lowering your cholesterol. For this reason, drinking green tea is a simple and effective way to slow down the aging process and prevent disease. But, in addition to being a way to protect your health, drinking tea seems to also be a way to help keep you slim. If you are in search of the best and the most effective method for reducing weight as well as maintaining it for life, you should add green tea to your daily diet as well as to your lifestyle. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe and press the notification on for updates. Kindly support our channel and watch our next videos. Thank you for watching.